Listen and look.
Is this your family, Alex? Yes, it is. Where were you? We were at a family party. These are my grandparents. They're very friendly. And who's this? That's my aunt. She's very kind. She always gives me presents. And are these your parents? Yes. They're very sporty. They love playing tennis. And who's this? That's my uncle. He's very artistic. He paints a lot. And I know this is your sister. Yes, talking again. She's very talkative. She's always on the phone. And here's my brother. He's very hard-working. He's always doing his homework. And who's this? My cousin. She's a scientist, and she's very clever. And this is my best friend. He's very funny. We laugh a lot together. Is this your kitten? Yes, it's very shy. It doesn't like being in photos. And look, your new puppy. It looks naughty. Well, it is a bit naughty, but it's only a baby. It's sweet.